Make sure you guys stay until the end. If you have Fiat Alfa Romeo, we will explain how a bad CV axle shaft, if ignored, can cause quite a bit of damage and you may end up spending thousands of dollars damages, and it can be even dangerous to drive your vehicle that way. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Fiat or Alfa Romeo. We will explain the symptoms of bad CV axle shaft. Make sure to stay until the end. We will explain the inner outer one. Most people never talk about the inner CV joint, and we will explain how it could cause quite a bit of damage to your vehicle if not fixed on time. So make sure you stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. Let's explain about the symptoms of bad CV axle shaft now. So, why we mention Fiat Alfa Romeo due to the fact that they practically are built on the same platform, multiple parts are interchangeable, but front-wheel drive cars practically will work for any front-wheel drive car, not just Fiat or Alfa Romeo even, guys. So, the CV axle shaft, okay, let me show you where it's located. This is your CV axle shaft right here. This is the outer CV joint that connects to the wheel, and here the wheel hub. That's the inner one that goes towards the transmission side. So the first sign of a failing CV axle shaft, usually, guys, okay, most of the times, but not always, will be grease build up and spray around the CV axle shaft. Check out all that grease, guys. This is because the CV joint, the boot, the rubber boot, cracks, fails, and when it starts spinning the CV joint, it will spray grease anywhere. That can cause damage to serpentine belt. From there, guys, okay, you may lose your alternator, AC compressor. It can get the teeth dirty for the crankshaft position sensors, or the car may not even start in some cases. It's a really funny situation. Now, in other cases, you may have a good boot, but not always, of course. And the most common thing that you will see will be clicking from the CV axle shaft when you're turning. Let's say you're turning and accelerating at the same time. Often you will hear a clicking. We have a special video that explains which CV axle shaft is bad, left or right, that is going to talk about that. But when you turn, the CV axle shaft extends, and when there is a play and you accelerate, okay, the balls inside practically, guys, will start popping, and that will cause that clicking noise from the CV axle shaft. Another thing, it can break, guys. If you ignore that clicking for a long time, it can break, and when it breaks, okay, check out, you have here brake lines, you have multiple ABS sensors, okay, other components, and if it does, you can lose even your brakes. It can cause damage, guys, that can be really expensive to fix in some cases, then it can actually lead to a very dangerous situation as well. And the inner CV axle, if it fails, it's something completely different. Usually you will not hear clicking, you will not hear any noise, but you will notice when you're driving at higher speeds and accelerating, the faster you go, more vibrations you will have. It will feel kind of like you have a bent wheel or a bent tire, and the vibrations will not go away. When you're accelerating, it will be there. When you're coasting, you will feel it, and especially when you're downshifting, when you put back pressure, you will feel it as well, because you have movement in that inner CV axle, their CV joint. So that's the symptoms of bad CV axle shaft on Fiat Alfa Romeo. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.